Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Nathan, we're back.
We are back.
Let's go! It is a Monday, it is the perfect day to be spending a little bit more time on the S14. Now we're at the stage where we get to make this S14 look a little bit prettier.
Today we're going to be cut and polishing the S14, but because it's been repainted and, I mean, we did it, there's quite a bit of, you know, orange peel and a bit of overspray.
No idea what you're talking about.
No, there is, that we need to get out. So we're going to start with some sanding discs and doing some wet sanding before we even get to the cut and polish part.
And then plus turbo, Nathan, plus turbo.
Whoa,
Let's go, Nathan.
What are you doing?
Can you stop mucking around? Nathan, I know those wheels are sick, but look at these.
Woo.
These are even better, Nathan. Well, probably not better than that, but anyway, massive shout out to t.c.d Auto for hooking us up with these polishers. So exciting, Nathan. We got a electric one at the bottom, and the rest are battery powered. So plenty of toys to play with, Nathan.
Plenty of toys. You mean electric? You mean like it plugs in, eh?
Yeah.
That one plugs in.
That's normally what happens if
But
it's
look at
electric.
this little one. This one's cool. It's like a palm polisher. You can just hold it with one hand. I like that.
Pretty cool, Nathan. Let's get into it. Now that we have the car all cleaned, we're going to be getting started on the wet sand. We're not going to be using any wet sandpaper. We're going to be using these sanding discs. Now, this is a 2000 grit. We also have a 3000 and also a 4000. The reason we'll be using these is because it will just work really nicely with the polishes that we have here from t.c.d Auto. We're just going to stick them on the top, wet them up, and then away you go. We're going to go over the whole car with the 2000, work our way up, all the way up to the 4000, and then we're going to do a full cut and a full polish after that. I'm excited to see how it turns out. I've never really wet sanded a car before. Nathan, let's see if we can get started on the 2000.
Let's do it. That's how they make my burger at McDonald's, bro.
Nathan, you've been working really hard on this car so far while I've been trying to clean the polishing discs.
I sure have.
You've been wet sanding away, Nathan.
There's white stuff all over it, and that is actually not polished. That is clear coat because I've been sanding these back. So
Lovely.
We've done a 2000 grit sanding disc, wet sand. Then we moved on to a 3000, which I'm finishing off at the moment. After I finish the 3000, I'm gonna move on to a 4000, which is extra fine. And then once we've finished that, then we're gonna move on to the cut and polish. We've got a super cut, a softer cut, a polish, and then an extra soft polish at the end if we feel it is necessary.
Wow, we're definitely doing this on the budget, Nathan.
We're doing this on the budget, but we have all the products and we're going hard with it because we did have quite a bit of orange peel in the paint here and there, but it's gonna look really good, JD.
Nathan, we finished the front left fender with a 2000, 3000 and a 4000.
Yes. So as you can see, this has just had the 4000.
This is amazing.
And look
at
how
that.
shiny that is. That's not even with any cut or polish yet, so it's actually going to come out even better than that. But you can see the benefit of using those sanding discs as wet sand discs because you get rid of all of that orange peel in the clear coat and it just comes out smooth as.
So good, Nathan. We're going to give that a cut, give that a polish and see what it comes out as, and then we're going to carry on doing the rest of the car. But we're making a lot of progress, and we're starting to see results, and that is always a good thing, Nathan Need.
It is very good, JD.
Let's get into it.
Wow, bro! I tell you what, mate, this is awesome.
We have finished the wet sanding on the S14 with a 2000, a 3000 and a 4000, and we're finally about to get on to the cut.
We have been polishing non-stop for hours, haven't we, JD? It's been a very long process, but you can see we are starting to get results, which is amazing. So it's been cut now. Next we're gonna do a polish on it, a final polish. Sorry we haven't filmed much B-roll. It's just been really full on, hasn't it, JD? That's literally been
Sorry?
It's just been full on.
Full on?
Full on.
Understatement, Nathan.
Definitely some panels are better than others, and you know, we've learned a lot from our mistakes. For the most part, we're pretty happy with how it is looking, and we can't wait to show you more soon.
Well, Nathan, you've been working really hard. You are now a brand new owner of a S14.
See this, everyone? It's official. It's now mine.
Nathan, the Silvia looks so good. Let's go for a drive and show everyone what we've done.
Let's do that.
I can't believe that the process of painting this S14 is now complete, Nathan. We can give a big tick on the S14 novel and move on to the next chapter.
That's right, the S14 novel coming to a bookstore near you. The car is in no means perfect, not at all, but it definitely looks good, and we're pretty stoked. You know, when we first painted it, it was looking kind of average. We're like, yeah, it's good, it's all right. But then when we
not expecting it to look the way it does, Nathan.
No, it looks so much better now once we've wet sanded it and gone through the whole process of cutting and polishing it and then wiping it down, and boom, hallelujah, that looks amazing. So super stoked at how it looks. It needs a couple of touch-ups here and there. There's a bit of white showing, we'll admit that, but aside from that, it looks like a fresh to death drift car, JD.
Nathan, I thought this car was going to look matte for the rest of its life. But Nathan, putting in the hard work just shows that you can just put a little bit of elbow grease in there and it can just become real good.
Yes, or you could just paint it well the first time.
That's true, Nathan. We would admit it's not the perfect S14, but it is a drift car and we're happy with it.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we just love hearing from you guys. If you got something that you've been working on and you want to show us some pictures of it, especially if you've been painting it at home, we would love to see it. Maybe we can learn a thing or two from you guys. Flick us a DM on Instagram. We always reply. Sometimes we're a little late, soz about it, but we do really love to see what you guys are working on too. But other than that, that's us for today. We got plenty more in the pipeline for the S14. Stuff happening on my E30 very soon.
Excited for that, Nathan.
It's going to be so cool. And yeah, heaps of stuff happening. Make sure you hit that sub button and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.